What should you expect when you make an appointment with Stanley Steemer to clean your carpet, hardwood, tile, upholstery, or air ducts? Well, for starters, you should expect the best. Outstanding people, superior equipment, and exceptional cleaning services. Before we arrive, we ask that you move lamps and delicate items off tabletops. Pick up any loose items off the floors being cleaned. Secure any animals so they don't get out. Our trained technicians will listen to your needs, explain our cleaning process, discuss any problem areas that need extra attention, and let you know what to expect. After inspecting the areas to be cleaned, corner guards are placed to protect walls and baseboards, and a door seal is hung to keep the outdoor elements from entering your home. The furniture is carefully moved so the entire room can be cleaned. Then your cleaning begins. Once the cleaning process is complete, we'll return everything to its original place and put foam blocks or plastic squares under the furniture. This prevents any color transfer from furniture to carpet. More importantly, we follow up with you before we leave to make sure you are completely satisfied with your cleaning. When your flooring, upholstery, or air ducts need a deep cleaning, visit us at stanleysteemer.com or call 1-800-STEAMER.